Hello and welcome back to Creating with Kea. Today we are talking about how to make money on Pinterest. And today we're in a new location because I was just in love with the natural light. Yay daylight savings. And we're just gonna see how fast we can cover this information before the sun sets. It is no secret that I am obsessed with Pinterest. Over the past 6 years, it has helped me grow my blog, and leveraging Pinterest is what helped me make close to $70,000 as a micro or nano influencer last year. So let's get into it. The first way that you can leverage Pinterest to make money is through affiliate marketing or affiliate income. We can get into affiliate marketing in another video, but at its core, it is when you promote a product using a specific link or unique code and you get a commission for any sales that you drive. And sometimes those commissions aren't very much, but they do add up over time. So the first step is, of course, to sign up for affiliate programs if you haven't already. And once you have that unique link, there are actually 3 ways that you can leverage Pinterest to promote them. The first is using standard pins or video pins to drive traffic to your website or blog where you have included affiliate links naturally. This works especially well with blog posts that are roundups of a particular product. For example, I have one that is a list of camera bag purses for women. I have another that is a list of Black-owned Etsy candle shops, which are all full of affiliate links. Then all I have to do is create some great Pinterest pins that link back to them. The second thing you can do is drive traffic to affiliate links directly. Pinterest allows direct linking, which is fantastic, but I do encourage you to check the agreements of your affiliate program because some of them don't like that. The third way you can use affiliate links on Pinterest is by making your idea pins shoppable. And as of filming this one isn't yet available in Canada. But Pinterest is rolling out a feature that allows you to tag the products that you feature in your idea pins with specific URLs. And that URL can be an affiliate link. If you have access to this feature, I definitely recommend you leverage it because idea pins right now are getting so much reach and so much traction. So it's just a huge missed opportunity if you are not making money on them. The next way that you can make money on Pinterest is through ad revenue. And I know you're hearing that and probably thinking, what? But Pinterest is the ultimate traffic driver. As we've covered in other videos, it is essentially a visual Google. In making pins that drive traffic back to your blogs or your YouTube channel, you are getting more traffic or more views. In other words, the potential to make more ad revenue, whether that's income through the YouTube Partner Program or through Google AdSense, Ezoic, or Mediavine on your blog. The third way that you can make money on Pinterest is by promoting your own products or services. This is very similar to the approach you would have in affiliate marketing. You can send people back to your blog or the website where you sell your products. You could product tag them in your idea pins, or you can link directly to the product pages. Now on to the fourth way that you can make money on Pinterest. And a little disclaimer, it is currently only available to creators in the States. So, sucks to be a Canadian right now. And I'm just gonna read a blurb about it here. Creator Rewards is a new Pinterest program that will pay creators for inspiring, actionable content. We'll publish new editorial prompts on a regular basis in the Creator Hub. Every prompt will outline specific engagement goals, like getting a certain number of clicks, reactions, or takes on your idea pin. When you meet the engagement goals, you'll see rewards in your bank account the following month. That sounds really cool to me. What I like about that too is that it prevents you from getting kind of stuck or in a creative rut as a creator. Because if you're ever getting a sort of creative block, you can turn to the Creator Rewards program, see what prompts are out there, and create whatever inspires you and get compensated for it. The fifth way that you can make money on Pinterest is through brand deals. I find that brands aren't as familiar with the value of Pinterest, so I'm often the one educating them and pitching them in negotiations. Brand deals on Pinterest honestly work the same way that they do on other platforms. You create unique content around a product or a service, and you share it with your audience. Pinterest even has a paid partnership tool where you can tag the brand that you worked with. And what I love about partnering with brands for Pinterest content is that your reach is a little bit more predictable. Because Pinterest is a search engine, if you are using SEO and the right keywords, your content is more likely to reach its intended audience. And my last way to make money with Pinterest is more of a bonus point because you can't necessarily plan for it. From my experience, Pinterest cares a lot about creators. They recognize our value and are putting money into us, as shown with the development of the Creator Rewards program. I feel so lucky to have had the opportunity to work with Pinterest directly on multiple occasions, whether that's been speaking engagements, one-off projects, or being part of Canada's 2021 Creator Program. If you are consistently and organically creating quality content on Pinterest, you're bound to get on their radar. And who knows what sort of opportunities will arise. There is just so much potential for making money on Pinterest, and it's a platform that I see only growing. If this video inspired you to approach Pinterest more strategically, but you still don't know where to start, I do encourage you to check out this video, which is an introduction to Pinterest, or this one here, which is 5 mistakes you're probably making on Pinterest. And it's getting dark outside, so we're just gonna wrap it up. Until next time.